As we look at example 5, we have negative 2x plus 9 in the middle. Now this is the first time that we have a greater than sign in both of our problems instead of our less than as we have had in the past. So as we're going to work at this, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract 9 from all three sides. The left, the center, and the right. So subtract 9 from all three sides. Here we go. Let's see, 1 minus 9. That's negative 8. In the middle, all we have left is the 2x. Then we have greater than or equal to negative 3 and negative 9 is negative 12. Now once again, we just have those greater than signs. We haven't seen those before. However, we're going to have to use one of our laws now that we derived on Friday. For those of you not in period 3, I want to give a shout out to period 3 and Tessa for Tessa's law. Tessa's law stated when we divide by a negative, as we need to do here to get rid of the negative 2 on the x, we're going to have to change the inequalities. So everyone divide everything by negative 2, and then let's take a look at our result. Here we now have positive 4, just an x, and positive 6. And because we divided by a negative, we have less thans and less than or equal because we divided by a negative. So there's our algebraic answer. Our graphic one, we put a 4 and a 6 on the number line, an open circle at 4, a closed circle at 6, and we shade everything in between because this is, just a reminder, called a conjunction where the two different inequalities overlap. Let's keep going now and look at our last example, example 6. As we look at this example, we have a very similar problem as in example 5, and so we're going to start by subtracting 2 from all three sides. That gives us 3 less than or equal to 3x less than 12. We divide everything by the number in front of the variable. The number in front of the variable is called what? Let's take a guess here. Abby, Stombries, what do we think? The number in front of the variable, it starts with a C, it ends with coefficient, so that would be coefficient. So we divide everything by that 3. Alright, so here we go. 1 is less than or equal to x is less than 4. There's our algebraic answer. Once again, notice we have less than signs. So we got rid of our coefficient, and now we can graph our line. We put our 1 on the graph, 2, 3, 4 on the graph, open circle, closed circle, and we shade everything in between. Alright, that wraps up our lesson. Reminder, this homework is going to be due on Monday. It's 1 through 15 all for section 3.5 on page 163. At this point, we're going to get ready for the quiz. Just a couple quick reminders. Remember, shade in the direction of the inequality when you're shading. Second, remember your variable needs to be on the left. Third, remember always when you're working these out, open circle is when it's not equal to, and a closed circle is when it's equal to. So, remember those basic couple things. You're going to do well in the quiz. I'm not too worried about you, and I'll look forward to seeing you back again on Monday. Have a great weekend. If you have any extra time between when the quiz finishes and when the period ends, remember you can work on your homework then.